Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue for your F08 Whirlpool washing machine. Now this is like really simple, just do this. Turn off the unit off using the power button on the panel, then turn it back on. So you're gonna turn it off, and when you are going to turn it off, then turn it back on. That usually clears it. If not, unplug the machine, wait 10 minutes and plug it back in. So unplug it from electricity and put it back in, turn the washer on using the panel. That clears the error code in most of the remaining cases. So that's pretty much it. Try it out and it's going to work out. 30-second solution for you. So first, just try to turn it off, turn it on. And if that not clears it, what you want to do is like unplug it for like 10 minutes and put it back in. That's it. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I really like making this video. So have a great day and goodbye.